Hey you guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers, Blowers, and Guns. It's been a while since I made a review video, but now I've got 4 things to review in consecutive days. So please stay tuned for the next 4 reviews in consecutive days. Please remember to subscribe if you're into stuff for your guns. This is a new thing that I got in the mail just the other day, and I'll show you exactly what it is. This is a CVLIFE Picatinny rail laser. Has a USB charging cable with a magnetic latch. This is kind of cool. It's so small.
That's what she said.
Gotta show it to you up close. Look at that low profile. Sleek design. This is the magnetic area where you would charge it. So it doesn't require batteries, has an internal battery source. If you want to charge it, just slap that on there. There's a laser output, as you can see, Picatinny. You slide this to turn it on. Just tap it, turn it on, turn it off. Cool. Oh my God.
I'm blind.
So as you can see, I don't really have any place to put it. I only have a Picatinny rail on my top rail. I don't have a Picatinny on the bottom, but you could put one on, M-lock, key mod, whatever. But I'm just gonna put this on here just to show you what it looks like. So here it is sitting on the top of my rail. Again, you could either put it on the side or on the bottom or on the top, wherever you have a Picatinny rail that you want to put a laser. Easy to install, very low profile, very sleek. You can put it on your handguns as well. And to turn it on, you merely just tap it. Very easy. And just tap it on the other side to turn it off. Very easy. On, off. Because it's black, I don't want to put it on this one. I have a black rifle. I think I put it on there. It's very low profile. You hardly see it. And as you can see, just to charge it, it's magnetic. It's very cool. This is something you guys are interested in? I'll leave a link in the description. Thanks a lot for joining me on another product review for your firearms here at Mowers, Blowers, and Guns.
AR-15, 11.5 inch, compensated with an iron bonded bolt carrier, Trigicon AccuPoint with 1.6 magnification.